Wall Street's main indexes fell sharply on Thursday, with the Dow dropping more than 1.3%, the S&P 500 shedding more than 1.5%, and the Nasdaq slumping 2%. At a time when investors have been stressed about the impact AI would have on competition, a less than impressive quarterly update from Cisco Systems, shares of which plummeted more than 12%, helped to sour the market on technology stocks broadly. Other sectors also got caught up in investor worries about AI disruption, says Brad Bernstein, managing director at UBS Private Wealth Management.
I think what we're seeing today is more of what we've seen recently in the last week or two, that is a lot of volatility around the market shooting first, asking questions later on any news around AI disrupting any sector. And it's not just software that was the big cause recently of all the tech volatility. We're seeing it today show up in office commercial real estate. We saw it earlier this week in wealth management firms. So any news that may cause any disruptions in any sector is causing immediate sell-off, regardless of whether or not it actually will have any material impact in any of these companies that are selling off.
Shares of AppLovin were the biggest decliner in the S&P 500 software index, tumbling more than 19%, despite beating market estimates for fourth-quarter sales. But investors worried about signs of increasing competition and an uncertain macroeconomic environment. Shares of logistics companies C.H. Robinson and Landstar and Expeditors International saw double-digit percentage declines after CNBC reported that a new tool from AI company Algorithm Holdings made trucking companies the largest target of investor worries about AI disruption. But shares of Equinix rallied more than 10% after the largest data center operator forecast annual revenue above estimates, betting on strong AI-linked demand. After the stronger-than-expected jobs report earlier this week, investors now look to the January Consumer Price Index for the latest inflation data. The report is due on Friday.